I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply calcium hydroxide in root canals. This material is a crucial temporary medicament, widely used to disinfect the root canal system. Its effectiveness stems from its high pH, typically ranging from 12.5 to 12.8, which creates an environment hostile to bacterial survival. Before applying, it is essential to ensure the root canal has been meticulously cleaned and shaped. You will need to mix the calcium hydroxide powder with a suitable liquid, such as distilled water or saline, to achieve a smooth, creamy paste consistency, ready for placement. There are several effective methods for placing calcium hydroxide. One popular technique involves using a syringe with a fine delivery tip, such as a 29-gauge Navi tip, which allows for direct injection into the canal. Another excellent option is the Lentillo spiral, operated by a slow-speed motor, which efficiently carries the paste deep into the root canal with a clockwise motion. For a more traditional approach, you can coat a hand file with the paste and use gentle, repeated pumping motions to work the material down the canal. The key is selecting a method that ensures controlled and accurate placement. Achieving a homogeneous and dense fill is crucial for calcium hydroxide's efficacy. Begin by placing the paste incrementally, starting from the deepest part of the canal, the apical third, and gradually working your way up towards the coronal opening. The goal is to ensure the paste makes direct contact with all root canal walls, filling the space completely. Exercise caution to avoid extruding the material beyond the tooth's apex, which could cause irritation. Gently using a master cone or a paper point with a pumping motion can help condense the paste effectively within the canal. Once the calcium hydroxide is precisely placed, it's important to remove any excess from the pulp chamber orifice. Then, securely seal the access cavity with a temporary restorative material, such as glass ionomer cement, to prevent contamination. This medicament is usually left in the canal for a period of 1 to 3 weeks to allow its full therapeutic effect. When it's time for removal, irrigate the canal thoroughly with solutions like sodium hypochlorite and 17% EDTA, often enhanced by sonic or ultrasonic activation, to ensure complete elimination before final obturation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.